Hello everyone, I'm happy to be back with you again, my friends and my families out there watching me. So today we are going to be making fresh chickpeas. We are not using canned, we are using fresh dry chickpeas. So in here I have, this is first of all I want to introduce this special pot to you. This is what we call MP5. It's multi-purpose use Saladmaster electric pot. It's a wonderful pot. It's one of the pots you wish you have in your kitchen, because you can use it as a slow cooker, you can use it as a pressure cooker, you can use it as your regular cookware. You can make your sauce, you can make soup, you can make broth, you can use it anytime. It's very handy. It's a pot we wish to have. You can cook a whole meat inside it anytime. It has a timer, so you put the temperature you like and you set the timer on and you're fine for the day. So inside this pot I have 3 cups of chickpeas. I wash it and rinse it nicely and put it in, and with the 3 cups I had about 15 cups of water, and I started cooking at 450 temperature. I cooked it for an hour and a half. Then when I felt it was really nice and soft, I reduced the temperature to about 300. So it's nice and it's cooking nicely. So I got the chickpea cooking in my MP5. Now I'm going to make the sauce because I'm making curry chickpeas. So I'm going to put a little bit of oil, like I have about 1/3 cup of oil. To make the sauce for the chickpea, you have to saute the onions and tomatoes. So just put in the oil and then put a little bit of onions. You can't go wrong with onions. Onions is good, gives your food really nice flavor and it's very healthy for you. So let's put, this is medium onion that I diced, medium red onions. So you put that in and you put your diced tomato and let that cook. I have my diced tomato here. Put it all in. And then you let this cook. You put some salt. First of all, you let this cook for a while. So the tomato, the diced tomato and the red onion has been cooking for about 5 minutes now. It's looking really nice, so you can add all your other spices to it. So in here is my salt. So I'm just going to add enough, just a little bit. So that's good. If you think you need more salt, you can always add to it. And I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. And in here I have my ginger garlic paste. So I'm going to add 1 big tablespoon. I have my cumin powder. I'm going to put another teaspoon in. Here is my chili powder. I'm going to put a little bit. You can make it spicy the way you want it. If you like your food really spicy, you can do that, but if it's just enough, just about a teaspoon is enough. And this is my chana masala. It's actually a chickpeas blend that you can put. So I'm going to be adding that, but first of all I'm going to mix all this together for now. So I'm going to add about 3 teaspoons of this. Let's say 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is nice. I'm going to add a little bit of tomato paste, just like 2 scoops. This is nice and very creamy. Some people like to add a little bit of baking soda, but I don't usually like to add any of those stuff into mine. So I'm happy with the way it is. So I'm going to let it cook for another 2 or 3 minutes, and then I will add it to the chickpeas. Okay, now the sauce is nice and ready. So we're going to transfer it to the chickpeas. So it's nice. I'll scoop it into the chickpea. Whoa, this is nice. Okay, so now I have 1 cup of water just to take out all the sauce. And then what I need to do now is to pour it in. And mix my chickpeas together. It's looking good. And I'm going to cover it and let it cook for another 10 minutes, and it will be ready to go. Chickpeas you can use for lunch, you can use for dinner, and it's all good. So right now it's all well mixed together. I'm going to put the temperature for about 250 for 10 minutes. Wow, I like the color. I wish you are here to have lunch with me. Okay, everyone, my chickpea is ready. Smells good, looks good, and it tastes really good. Look at that. So now I'm going to serve some on the plate. You know, you can have these chickpeas the way it is, or you can have it with roti. Anything you want, or with bread, it's all good. It tastes really good. It's very high in protein, and using the Saladmaster MP5 to cook it is perfect. It tastes really nice. Join me for lunch, and bye for now. I hope to see you soon.